Yo, it's him again. Flavor like Eminem, flavor like cinnamon. When he turned trembling like a gremlin. After 12 at the Sheridan. My name is Evelyn, no pretending friend. OG Husky Radio, OG Husky. That means the vinyl is mad dusty. That means that we come back and God we trust. See, John Robinson flow, you got a lot of them. Who's next to flip on the freestyle?
My name is Kylie, hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Middle fingers if I don't like you the way I greet you. My man Blame and this dude I thought I didn't know. Actually I did from a long time ago. And now you know the way we roll. Beehive outside practicing the beatbox to hit you right. You probably feel it, anything that I'm concealing, I pull it out enough to blow up a whole damn building. No disrespect though, I come and cut your head off like Cecil Secco. Born American style, back in the day before they know the cats was faking. You know the way we come through, rubbing like some bacon. Yeah, just warm it up, my man Blame.
And you know I'm not ashamed, tame like a lion, never denying, I'm steady trying to rock this microphone, I'm frying, whack MCs up in the pan, run across the land and I spin and I take your whole gland from your throat, quote, Blame one on the note, chillin' with my man John Robinson, all you whack MCs, you steady slobbing them, and I'm talking about giving them head, you misled, MCs they just bred and fed the nonsense, I just fast tense, and what did I say? I said nothing, that was freestyle, I'm not frontin'. I'm fucking up cause I'm slurring my words, blurred, vision, steady just living disturbed, like the joint that I did with Sean P. Everybody knows how I spit, it's on me, and I'm just sipping a drink, you see it in the water bottle, going full throttle, that's how I do. Here comes the next joint, for the crew, pass it.
Hold it down the table. Let's do one more round.